What is good, y'all? Boom! Welcome to a new week. Welcome to a new vlog that I'm filming for y'all. Starting a little bit earlier than usual. As you guys know, I usually start filming at around like 3 p.m. my local time at market open Monday, or a few hours before that. But this time it's gonna be a different time. It's gonna be a W vlog. I think the best vlog I've ever recorded, because as you guys can see right now, it is Sunday, 30th of November, 11:36 p.m. So in 30 minutes, 1st of December. Crazy to think actually that the year is coming to an end. And yeah, so we'll be flying to Hungary in 6 hours. Of course, I'm taking my laptop with me, my MacBook, and I'm gonna trade in Hungary as well. So it will be cool. It will be really cool. Stay tuned. What time is it, bro? 3:20 p.m. I feel really cooked, but it is what it is. We got ourselves a protein shake? Fuck no. Raw milk, fresh raw milk. Collagen. Finally, bro, after walking around a little bit, eating something. So we arrived at like 8 a.m. in Budapest, and now we are, like, we walked around, ate something, and now we are in the hotel room. It's my shower, bro. Look at this beauty, coconut water for potassium mixing, W bed, and a nice setup right here. Look at this beauty. Got my Alpha right here, MacBook, everything charging, perfect. Gonna set my cam up like this, and I'm gonna take a nap because I'm running on 40 minutes of sleep. I don't know if I told you that, but I'm forgetting every single word. I cannot speak. I'm cooked, so I gotta take a nap. I hope I don't oversleep. Quick little recap. Y'all saw me. I woke up, I was trading, and let me do a quick recap because my food is actually there. I just ordered something for me, because I'm literally really hungry. So let's go over today. I ended up taking 0 trades because there are no opportunities. Unfortunately I missed one really nice opportunity, really nice A+ setup for me, I would say. But it is what it is. Let me show that to you. So coming into the day, boom, as you can see right here, we had some, like, we are overall bearish. I told my Discord I want to see basically shorts. I'm leaning more bearish, and as you can see, we have some highs up there, but those highs already tapped a 4-hour gap. So we are basically in a 4-hour gap that we just inversed. But yeah, not my most lovely A+ strong liquidity, but I wanted to see those lows and those lows getting taken off open. And as you can see right here, let me drop down to the 1 minute. Boom, market opens right here. I thought we are going to take those lows, and then we started going higher, bro. No retraces, no setups to the upside, only this one gap tap. I'm not taking this shit, bro. This is fried. This is literally cooked, beyond cooked. Then we started dumping. We took out this low right here. Then we created, like, with no setups, so no short setups, we created an SMT with ES, as you can see. Those 2 lows that I marked out, he didn't tap them. And then, bro, after this SMT, we started rejecting higher with fat volume, like fat bullish candles to the upside. And literally this was the sign that we are going to go higher for me. and bro, I just failed to realize, and I just failed to go and drop down to the 5 minute on ES. And as you can see right here, ES respected this 5 minute gap. 5 minute on ES got respected right here. And yeah, bro, SMT, this fat candles, we got a nice draw up higher. 5 minute respected to fat bullish candles, and I actually would have taken this one right here for a simple 1-to-1. I wouldn't take it on NQ just because ES is stronger and showing that respectation, I would say, of the 5 minute, but you could have easily taken something like this on NQ as well for a 1-to-1. Yeah, really an easy day to avoid, and then we start drop around after targets hit. So we are closing our chart.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like.
First of all, we got ourselves some burgers. Yes, I know I usually eat really clean, like you guys noticed. If you saw the previous videos, it's always fruit, eggs, raw milk, raw honey, and meat basically. And I never cheat or something like this, but my friend told me this is the best smash burger he ever tried in his entire life. I mean, why not? It's fine, right? It's okay.
Perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for stupid letters. Singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs. Oh, this the type of song you tip on fofos and pull up songs. Yeah, that make you fall in love song. That heavy head, what you own, make you hit me up song.
Market opens in 10 minutes actually. 10 minutes. I already set up everything. Let me turn on the light real quick right here so you can see. Boom, got my setup with the Mac. Got my coconut water. And yeah, actual German coconut water in Hungary. Bro, I just trade pool in the hotel gym. Honestly, bro, I didn't expect anything because it's the hotel gym, right? There are no machines, nothing, but it was worse than expected at first. But then I saw the pull-up bar and this was like a gold car, bro. Because I was training my back, and honestly the only thing that I needed was the pull-up bar, and they had some decent sized dumbbells, so it was actually alright. I'm pumped up, real nice, but I gotta make myself ready, put on a nice fit and shit, and then we are going to go to the steakhouse, bro. I'm so hyped, I wanna eat. And also, I just forgot to mention, or I forgot to film about the market today, because we ended up taking 0 trades once again, like usual, guys. I saw something that I wanted to see, but I didn't take the trade because of one thing, and this is like my rule, and I followed my rule, which I'm really proud of, and I'm proud of myself. But yeah, I don't want to go over the charts like in depth. I'm just gonna show you the trade recap that I posted on TikTok. Look. If you lost to the nasdaq, this should not happen. I took 0 trades, as you can see, and bias was overall, bro, bullish. If you were bearish, you are cooked. Like, look at this beautiful highs up there. You are in the bullish structure. You got nice unfilled right here and triple equal highs up there. Off open, we just start ripping higher, and I actually wanted to take this trade right here. 1-to-1 to the first draw. But just looking at ES, bro, look how uncorrelated we are. On the time of this entry, ES looks like this, bro, printing doji candles, staying in a range. And after that, bro, no retraces, no beautiful setups, and right now we are dumping. If you look to the just took one of those e-scooters, like electro scooters out there, and waiting for other people to arrive at the restaurant right here, and just chilling. Look at this beauty. Just enjoying the water, looking out for all the birds, and just waiting, bro. Really peaceful. Yo, being at home is so nice. I love it. It's just more comfy, cozy. Everything is like you want, like perfectly suited for you. Back home, I just wanted to update y'all. I needed to take a trade today. Wait, what do I mean? I just entered a position with my micro and immediately got out. And you might ask why. Bro, let me show it to you. I just posted a TikTok. It explains everything really briefly, really nice. Look at this. I didn't take a trade for 15 days straight. I almost got banned from Alpha Futures. I took one trade today after 14 or 15 days. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my calendar for November. As you can see, I took 3 trades in November. Here was a 4th one, I think here, yeah, here. And it got voided because of a Project X lag. So basically I'm on 4 trades this month of November, 2 break even and 2 losses on A+ setups. Were the best setups that I've ever seen, and they both lost, and I'm fine with that. I'm really fine, and 1 loss got voided, which I'm really happy for. Oh. December, usually basically no trades, but I was just forced to take a trade today. And as you can see, bro, I entered at 6:48 p.m. and exited at 6:48 and 1 second. So I just clicked buy and then immediately sell. And here's why. And no, it was not a normal trade. I needed to take this trade, or otherwise I would get banned from Alpha Futures. Keep your account active. You must place a trade at least once every 10 trading days. That's a position of 1 micro. So in order to keep your account active and not get banned or like accounts closed for the inactive rule, you need to take a trade at least every 10 trading days. And today I was on my 11th trading day. No, like without trades. I'm basically running 15 normal days without trades, and it's like 11 trading days. And I was thinking, bro, I'm fucked. So I just took a trade, wrote the support, and they were able to keep my accounts. W Alpha Futures, bro. This is why it's the best firm. Was it immediately $2 loss? But I'm able to keep all the accounts, so I'm good. And no, bro, it's not that I'm scared or hesitating. I'm just waiting for the nice A+ setup that I like. And I haven't seen any setups that I like in the past 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna take something that is not my system. I didn't take a trade. And yeah, basically that's true. I haven't seen anything that was my system, so I'm gonna stay out. That's why I backtested, that's why I gathered data, that's why I gained discretion. I just didn't see anything that I really liked. First 2 weeks of November was like, it was really nice. There were some discretionary trades that I could take, and also some Asia trades, but I just set myself there's the rule that I'm not gonna take any discretionary trades in November, because it just simply was my monthly goal to only practice on demo. And now it's a new month, I'm able to take some discretionary trades. Gang, I realized I'm sick. I'm getting sick again. Bro, it was going so good. I had a bit of a break from the gym. I came back, I was working hard, started fixing everything. Everything was going so well, bro. And I'm again sick, bro. It is so annoying. I'm so pissed right now. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do a quick trade recap for y'all as well, but yeah. I don't want to get sick for a long time, so I just cut myself an onion. I got some garlic, ginger, and I'm also getting my raw honey right now. You guys can clearly see that this is bullshit. I got nightlight on, so don't wonder why it's orange. Like, look at this 1 hour range. This was before market opened, and bro, like literally the only target we have is, let's say, this high right here. And of open, we actually started pumping towards it. Look at the 5 minute, it looked great. We actually broke out of this range. Boom, we retraced into this 5 minute gap just before market opened. And I was thinking maybe we will get an entry just at market open candle, because this was 2 minutes before market open. Look, we were really close to the draw. And if you would have got like 1 displacement candle, I would have entered something like this. Very quick 1-to-1, right? And yeah, we just started dumping. We dumped 100 points, I think, took out this range low, put in an SMT, and bro, we divided for the rest of the session. Just look at this. Look at the 5 minute. He just did some bullshit. So today is an easy day to stay out of. And I did. I'm proud of myself. We are like 16 days in a row without a trade now. But yeah, it is what it is. I need to get fit now, healthy again. And we'll see us tomorrow, last day of the week. What is good, boys? So I woke up like 2 hours ago and it is 2 p.m. as you can see. So I woke up at 12. I mean, it's shit, yeah. But I don't know if I was talking about this. Yeah, I was talking in the last clip that I'm getting sick. I feel it. So I just thought, bro, like, why not? I'm going to sleep at like 1:30. So let me just fully recover, bro. And then I slept for 11 hours, woke up, and I think I'm more healthier. Like, usually when you get a sore throat and the next day is usually the worst, you wake up, stuffy nose, throat is like hurting like crazy, headache and stuff like this. You feel like you're getting sick and like you are sick. But this time I feel like I'm even more healthier, so it was a good decision. Whatever, just made my first meal, raw milk, guys. Wild caught salmon. I think it's pronounced like this, yeah, and a banana. W meal. So we ended up taking 0 trades once again. Only one trade on demo, and I actually fumbled. I can explain why and why I fumbled and why I should have actually taken the trade on the XFAs and not on my demo. Let me first of all show you what I'm about to feast, and then I'm gonna talk about the trading day and other stuff. So I got myself, boom, wait, ground beef, bro, sourdough bread, raw milk, raw honey, and lots of fruits. Look at this beauty. All glory to God, bro. So pre-market, we tapped into this 4-hour gap. As you can see, what are our draw liquidities? Boom, right here. Boom, I marked this out as well, and this one right here. Bro, we retraced into this 4-hour gap, okay? And I thought we are going to inverse it. Just the 1 hour looked a little bit weird. Look, this was the candle that closed at 9 a.m. And I was thinking, okay, bro, we are finally making it a range, cooked a day. But the 4-hour, out of nowhere, bro, we started respecting this shit like crazy right here at 8:50. And off open, boom, we pump, we take out my first drawn liquidity, which was this London low, this London high, I think. Am I right? Yeah, London high right here. Bro, look, we pump, we take it, we dilly-dally. I told my TikTok live that I want to see a retracement into this Ferrari gap right here. Boom, here I got my live recordings. By the way, it was a W stream. We got 250 unique viewers, 9 new followers, 22 diamonds, and I got like 10 average viewers, which was really nice. I'm really thankful, bro. I might stream a little bit more because actually makes also a lot of fun when people are writing in the chat and you're just fucking around waiting for something to happen. Exactly what I marked out. I wanted to see a retrace into this big gap and one push, and then I would enter somewhere around here, right? A little bit below the first drawn liquidity. Boom, and look at this. Exactly what happened, right? But not with one big move. It just happened on the higher time frame, on the 5 minute. And I marked this out. I told the live, yo, I'm gonna take this on my demo. And why not on my normal account? There is a simple reason for that. We had 10 a.m. red folder news on alpha futures, qualified accounts on the zeros. I don't think on the other ones. Only on the zeros. You cannot enter a trade at 9:58 or like 8:28. 2 minutes before red folder news come out, and you cannot exit one trade 2 minutes after red folder news come out. So I couldn't actually manage my position from 9:58 to 10:02, right? And this was, at the time of this entry, this was 9:50. This was this candle right here. So 10 minutes before news, okay? And if I enter this right here, I targeted the first high right here, 1.3 R, and as you can see, this was this high. And then, bro, it just started pumping. And I was afraid that 10 a.m. is gonna take out my drawn liquidity, and then I'm gonna hit TP and the trade is not gonna count. And that's exactly what happened. 10 a.m. takes it out, and I banked on my demo, right, of course. And then we end up hitting the next drawn liquidity at 10:06, as you can see right here. Boom, 10:06, we hit the next draw. And this is the 10 a.m. candle that took out the first draw. Next draw, 10:06. And yeah, bro, it looks so clean on the 5 minute. Like, we push through it. Look at this big retracement, leaving this fat wick right here. And bro, like, we pump higher. And I just realized, like, as soon as we took take profit, I realized, yo, I could have actually taken it on my XFAs and just extend my TP to like, I don't know, somewhere into the moon and manually close at 10:03, like somewhere around here when we open up. And this would be also like the same level of take profit. And yeah, lesson learned, 17 days straight without a trade now. This is so crazy, bro. Missed out on this one. I had a lot of FOMO in this area and then I just turned it off. It is what it is. I'm proud of myself that I still took the trade on my demo. I could learn something, I'm gonna journal it. It was a W week so far. I hope y'all liked the video. If y'all have any feedbacks, any suggestions, just write them in the comments or in the Discord. Everything's in the description. And I love y'all. See you. Peace.